Forbes reveals its list of the top businesswomen in the MENA region, and Alphabet stocks surged 8% on the back of stellar Q4 earnings. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Nadine Hassan. Forbes Middle East has revealed its list of the most successful and influential businesswomen in the MENA region. The UAE and Egypt scored the most entries with 7 each, followed by Saudi Arabia, Morocco, Kuwait, and Oman with 4 entries each. The banking and financial services sector is the most dominant with 16 entries. Visit ForbesMiddleEast.com for the full list. Shares of Google parent company Alphabet surged over 8% after it reported stellar Q4 earnings and announced it's bringing stock split back to the market. Alphabet reported $75.3 billion in quarterly revenue, up to 32% year-on-year. It also announced a 20-to-1 stock split as well. U.S. oil giant ExxonMobil posted $23 billion in 2021 profits, bouncing back from a loss of $22.4 billion in 2020. Its Q4 profits reached $8.9 billion, and the results are on the back of surging demand in energy and rising oil prices. General Motors is reporting solid profits. Its Q4 profits reached over $2.8 billion, and its full year 2021 profits reached $14.3 billion. GM says it's a record, and this comes despite the global shortage of semiconductor chips last year. GM is transitioning to selling all electric vehicles by 2035. Saudi Aramco has launched a $1 billion global VC fund to support next-generation technologies. It coincides with Saudi's reported $6.4 billion allocation to invest in future techs. The Prosperity 7 Ventures Fund supports entrepreneurs and companies aiming to tackle the world's most urgent challenges. Aldar Properties has acquired Al Hamra Mall for nearly $112 million, representing its first investment deal in Ras Al Khaimah and its first outside of Abu Dhabi. The deal adds to Aldar's $6 billion portfolio of assets, including residential, commercial, educational, retail, and hospitality properties. 5 Chinese property tycoons lost $26.6 billion in just 11 months. These billionaires continue to incur losses amid the crisis in China's property sector. The combined wealth of the top 5 billionaires plunged by 26% to $74.2 billion at the end of 2021. And that brings us today to Forbes' real-time billionaire ranking, and it tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Here are today's winners, and our biggest winner today is Bernard Arnault and family, up to $2.6 billion with net wealth of $197.6 billion. Our second biggest winner today is Takemitsu Takizaki, up to $2.1 billion with net wealth of $29.4 billion. And our third place winner is Gautam Adani and family, up to $2 billion with net wealth of $90.8 billion. Check out our website and social media for all the latest billionaires news. The Olympic torch relay has begun at the Olympic Forest Park in Beijing just days before the opening ceremony of the Winter Games. The first 3 runners in the relay are famous Chinese, including 80-year-old former Olympic speed skater, an astronaut, and as well as a satellite designer. I'm Nadine Hassan. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.